before we implemented NexTech, we were looking everywhere for technicians. We had too many service calls, not enough technicians, and we were looking to find a way to be able to, relieve some of the stress on our guys and grow our business. So we really had to get a little bit creative. Thankfully, Nexstar had gotten creative before we did, and really decided to take a jump into NexTech.
The major feedback was nobody would give me a shot because I didn't know anything as an apprentice. So they thought about going to a community college and spending $27,000 a year. Here they come, they get trained and get paid wages, right? They're like, it was unbelievable. Nobody would hire me, and you guys hired me and trained me for 90 days. And so just that appreciation came back tenfold.
We just want to start our own training because we looked into the future and said, well, we want to scale this business to $100 million. And how are we going to create enough staff and team and techs or everybody to do that? And well, we really looked at it and said, well, we're not going to be able to just hire existing talent in the market to scale at the speed we want to. And with the shortage of the workforce, felt like the best solution was to create an opportunity through a school. It was something we had on our vision board for, say, into the future we'd like to do one day. And just looking at that budget and planning, say it's time to do it. And we had some friends in Nexstar that were doing some similar things, so it was just kind of at the right time, right place, and we just decided to take action on it.
Probably just about like any other HVAC plumbing company that was out there, we were up against the wall on finding talent. And for us, that was what we saw as our limiting factor, our limiting to growth. So we said, how do we solve this? How do we work through this? And we tried to work through it with recruiting. We tried to work through it with some other things. And finally, just one day we said, you know what? Let's do an academy. Let's train them ourselves.
Figure out who your facilitator is, your trainer, get some people signed up. You're gonna need a tablet or a computer or even a Chromebook. And you're gonna need to be able to, if you don't have facilities on site, then just a logbook so you can keep track of what the technicians are learning in real time out in the field with others. If you have the facility where you can host the stuff internally, a furnace, a kitchen sink, I mean, we even used our own houses. If we didn't have it here, we'd say, hey, come on over to my house and let's work on my furnace together. Like, you can really do it anywhere. It's pretty, I would just do it.